In this video, I'll show you to play in a private session with your friends in GTA 5 Online. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so if you want to play GTA Online without random players joining your session, you can create a private lobby. Private lobby or private sessions let you invite only the people you want to play with. First, you can open up the pause menu and then go to Online, and here look for an option called Find New Session. Select it, and then you'll see list of different types of session. So the first one is public session. This is the normal one, and then there is invite only session. This is what we want. So now let's create an invite only session so then you can invite your friends to join. So let's go ahead and do that. Press OK. After you load in, you'll be in a private session or lobby, and here you're playing by yourself unless you invite your friend. So to invite your friends, you can open up the pause menu again and then go to friends, and then you'll see your friends list on the left, and here if they're online, you can click on their username and then you can send a game invite. So let's go ahead and do that. You'll say invited, and after your friend accepted the invite, they'll join this private session. So basically, if you want anyone to join, you need to invite them, and that's basically it. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.